862 Shortest Subarray with sum at least k. This Java code uses sliding window with Deque to maintain a list of potential starting indices for the subarrays. This approach efficiently finds the shortest subarray by leveraging prefix sums and a monotonic queue. Explanation 1. Prefix sums. We first compute the prefix sums of the array. The prefix sum at index I represents the sum of elements from the start of the array up to index I1. 2. Deque for indices. We use a Deque to store indices of the prefix sums. The Deque helps in maintaining a list of potential starting points for subarrays. 3. Sliding window. As we iterate through the prefix sums, we check if the difference between the current prefix sum and the smallest prefix sum in the Deque is at least k. If it is, we update the minimum length and remove the index from the Deque. We maintain the Deque in a way that the prefix sums are in increasing order. This is done by removing elements from the back of the Deque if the current prefix sum is less than or equal to the prefix sum at the back of the Deque. 4. Result. If we find a valid subarray, we return its length. Otherwise, we return -1. This approach efficiently finds the shortest subarray with a sum of at least k in O(n) time complexity. Thanks for watching, and I post daily.